So yeah, Rishika.
Yes, sir.
Should we go to help? Update it again, IML.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So we see its syntax. So this is again token command DB name relation. And then you
Yes,
have to
yes, sir.
give record the column name and value. It will update.
Yes, sir.
We can give multiple column and multiple values. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
request should be similar to this. So again token command DB name all same, relation same. Only we need to change this command to update, and then we'll give a record number and then a JSON object where we will give column name and its value. It will get updated. So now what we want to do, we want to change this name Sneha to Sneha Yanduri. Okay.
Okay.
And to add a mobile number in Sulbha Mishra.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So tell me what to do. Let's create a new request. So I will save this, then save as. I will give here update. So we'll have these requests always with us. Okay, tell Rishika. We have the correct token. Then
Sir, paste the request over there, sir, first. Update
not
request.
needed because all things are almost same.
Okay, sir. Yes, mostly. Phone number.
Update.
IMLO.
And here
It is
I
IML, sir. We are modifying it.
yeah. And then we have to change here. Here we have to give record number.
Record
So
number.
suppose this is record number 2
1.
and we
Okay.
change the name. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So here we will give 2. Okay.
Okay.
We want to see how the request is. Then you see here. First, this object has record number and then different object inside. So uh, here we have to take a object, JSON object. Yeah, tell
Name. Name.
name. Okay, name. Then
And then we can type the new value.
yeah, after colon.
Yes, sir. Sneha Yanduri.
Sneha, is it fine? Spelling?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this we are updating second record. Okay.
And now we can type the new column number 1, record number, and then we can
Okay.
write mobile and write the mobile number for Sulba's record.
Okay. So we can do both the things in one request. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have to give comma here because this is what JSON needs. Okay. This is JSON format.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now I send it. Also save it. So you see
No error.
one record, mobile null, 2 name Sneha, new index column created. So something is wrong, na? New non-indexed column created. Additional data. There is a new column created. Let's see what happened. No, there is no new column. Actually, for this record, new column is created. So that's why. because this record was not having mobile number, na? So this gets modified, and then this name gets modified. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, sir.
Sir, can we link this database to any other thing, sir?
Like?
Like if we want to perform some operations in this, sir, like we usually have in Python, sir, like union and all. For
Python
suppose,
database.
sir, no, sir. I'm asking like we have. Do we have this option of connecting this database with some other thing, sir?
I'm not understanding. Can you take some example?
Yes, sir. Now, for suppose I'm having two databases, sir.
Two tables or two databases?
Yes, sir. Two tables.
Okay.
And I have some common things in both the tables, sir. Like
Yeah.
for example, we
We
can
can.
perform any
Neha,
other options.
yes, Neha, we have lot of option. You have to go through the help. Because this is the first day you are understanding this database. So today we just go with CRUD operation.
Sir, this Rishika, sir.
Okay, Rishika, you are asking, yeah? Okay, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, sure. We have all other possibilities here, but today we will be discussing only CRUD.
Okay, sir. Okay.